Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So now we are successfully able to submit the details. So now here when I am adding some details here. So when I am adding friend, $1,000 bill, now it should be shared between the friends, right? Now we need to add this one. So for example, here in this component, when you are having an app.js, so here in this app.js, we are able to get those details. So why is taking so much of time? Let's close this and open this one again. Maybe now it will come, I think. Yeah, here if I go into here and in the app.js, yeah, here we are having the each state, right? So here we are having a bill details. In this bill details, we need to split the bill and we need to share it between all the friends. So that means here $1,000 bill means, so the Deva has paid the $1,000 bill, so there is no need for us to add this one in the bill details. Now here he doesn't have to pay anything, but whereas here the Dheeraj has to pay the amount of $500 to the Deva. So here we need to write the details in this one. So let's try to implement this one. So for this one, what I am trying to do is, so here this is our thing, right? So I need to set the details here. Let's set the details. Here we will be calling the methods set friends of, so we will be getting the friends, right? So we will be getting the friends, and here we need to write the logic. So we need to calculate the bill and all those things. So here we'll write the calculate bill of, we need to send the friends, that means total friends what we are having, and also the bill details. Okay, so that's it. So I am sending this all things. Now we need to implement this calculate bill. So here I am writing the function calculate bill of, and here I will write the friends. So I am getting the friends details and also the bill details. So these are the two parameters I am getting it. So fine. First let's split the amount between the, how much amount needs to be paid by each friend, will divide it. So here I can write constant amount price is equal to, I will do math.round of bill details dot bill. So you will be getting the bill divided by total friends, how many you are having, dot length. So this is the amount we need to pay. So here I will be doing console.log of amount price. Okay, so this is the amount, we will try to check it. So now here, so I have refreshed it. So let's see whether we are able to get it or not. So now when I am adding a friend here, so we are having this one, right? So now the amount should be shared. So here I will add some users. Okay, so it should be, hey, why these all coming, I don't know. Okay, so one friend is added and also another friend is added, and here Leela is paying something around $1,000 bill. If I click on the console add bill here, so this is the amount. Okay, fine, that is okay, fine. So why? Because we are not sharing the details, we are not setting the details, and 500 is the bill which should be that is the amount which should be shared between the friends. So now we got the amount price, so we got the friend details. So let's try to make it as an empty. So this is the logic which I will be writing. So if you want to write on your own, you can write it. Let's close this one. Why I have opened? Yeah, so I am taking a new friends and here I am looping over the each friend for let friend of friends. Okay, and here at the end we need to, so I am looping over each friend, so that I can add this 500 amount bill to each friend, and here I will return this friend details. Okay, so this is the details I want to send to the, so I need to modify these all friend details. I want to send it to the set friends here. So fine. So each time I am looping over. So first I will get the single friend. So I am taking the single friend. Single friend is equal to, so here in restructuring, so that I am making a copy. Now if single friend, okay, so here if single friend dot id is equal to plus bill details, so I am making this one as plus bill details dot friend ID. If the same friend is sharing the bill, so there is no need for us to add the sharing bill to that friend. So for example, if Leela is paying the bill means, so there is no need for us to add to the Leela, right? Why? Because he is adding the amount. He has already paid the amount. So here I will just push the details, friend details dot push of that single friend. I will push this single friend. Okay, so this common. And here I will do the continue. Continue means, so there is no need to execute furthermore. So here I can use a continue. That's it. So now if the friend is not that friend, so for example, if Leela has paid the bill and the friend which we are trying to loop it is not Leela, then what we need to do? So first we need to calculate the billings. So here we need to calculate the billings. I am making it as an empty. So now let found is equal to false. So I am making one variable, let found is equal to false. And here if single friend, okay, so single friend dot bill details dot length. So if already he has some give with other friends means, so I am checking these all details, and here I am looping over each billing of that guy for where billing of, so you should not have the things, right? So you should for where single friend dot bill details, I will be using like this bill details. So here if billing dot id, so that is nothing but billing. So here this is the billing, spelling mistake. If billing dot id is equal to billing dot id means nothing but the friend id. Bill details dot friend id. So bill details dot friend id. So maybe you will be finding little bit difficult, so you can pause it and you can check it, or otherwise you can write your own logic. That's not a fine, that's okay. Found is equal to true. I am doing found is equal to true. So we found, and I am pushing billings dot push. So I am pushing these all the things billing. So I am making a copy and I am pushing the new one, that is nothing but price, billing dot price. Okay, already we have, and I need to do amount price. Okay, so amount price, that is nothing but what I can say is amount price. So this amount price I need to add it to that guy. So this is the amount which we need to do it, and here if you want you can also do this, you can make it. Okay, so this is the thing which I want to do it. Now we got this one, billings is equal to empty and found is equal to true, and we have made it this one all if single details, and why we are getting this one all. Okay, let's leave it. We will try to do this one, and here, okay, I didn't use the let, that is the reason you are getting. Okay, we can use the where or let or anything. I think maybe it will, yeah, it will go away. Yeah, fine. Now what I will do is, so else, so if billing is not there means I can do billings dot push of that billing. Okay, so whatever the thing is there, so I can push the entire thing. So we got the found, right? And here up to here I can go outside, and if it is not found, okay, if the details are not found, then what can I do here? So I will do the same thing. So billings dot push id. So we know that bill details dot friend id. So new one, new thing I am trying to push it here. Name, bill details dot name, and also the price is equal to plus amount price. I am converting it into a what I can say is, for the safety case, I am converting into a number. So that's it. Now these are all the billings, whatever the billings I have calculated for a single friend, I will do it with single friend of bill details. I will do it here, and I will calculate it, I will add it in the billing. So I will do it in the billings. Yeah, it's fine. So friend details dot push. So this is the single friend. I will do it here like this. That's it. So this is the logic which I would be trying to do it. Now if you try to see the output, how it will be happening is, so now let's refresh this page, entire page. Now so far no errors. So here we are having a two friends, okay, Leela and Deva. So we are having two friends, which now Leela has paid $1,000 bill to a restaurant. Now Leela needs to pay 500. There is no need to pay. Why? Because Leela has already paid the bill, and Deva needs to pay 500 rupees. The share of the bill of Deva is 500. So to whom he has to pay? To Leela he has to pay. So if I click on this add bill, now let's see what will happen in the components in the app.js. So we are having a state, right? So here if you try to see, so the Leela, so here where whatever the thing the Leela is, so here there is no need for him to pay the bill. And whereas Deva, in the billing details, you will be able to see one data has been added. So that is nothing but, so for Leela, he has to pay 500 rupees. So this is the amount he needs to pay. So now for example, let's say that new friend came this time. Okay, Dheeraj has came. Now Dheeraj has nothing to pay with anybody. Why? Because he has newly joined. Now this time again, Deva has paid 1000 rupees to the restaurant. Now that means the value should be shared between Leela and Deva. Okay, sorry, Leela and Dheeraj. Now if you try to see here, so for the Leela, so a new bill has been added. That is nothing but for Deva, he needs to pay 333. And for this Deva, so there is no need to pay. Why? Because Deva itself has paid. But he has to pay for Leela 500 rupees still. He hasn't paid it. Now here for Dheeraj, he has to pay 333 rupees to Deva. So that means the amount has been divided between the two friends. That is nothing but Leela and Dheeraj. Why? Because Deva has paid the bill. So like this we are able to successfully add the details into the friends list. So fine. So this is the DIN completed. Now when I click on this Leela, I need to show those all bill details. And when I click on Deva, I need to show this Deva who the amount what he is having due on the friends. So we need to show the details. In the next video, we will try to do it. So this is little bit of logic. So you can perform on your own logic also. You can do it. So take some time to check this logic of this code. So what I will do is I am taking a new branch video-37. Okay, and I will commit this code. So calculate bill share, and whoever may be having a doubts and all those things in this code, so they can go to this particular branch and you can check it. So in the next video also I will try to explain a little bit more so that you can have a clear bit idea. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.